May papakilala ko sa inyo, mga viewers ni Jones TV Media.
Hello po.
Si Mr. Angelo.
Hi, Sir
His
Angelo.
beautiful wife,
Hi, ma'am. How are you po?
Isabel. So, introduce mo yung pastry business nyo.
Bali, kami po pala yung owner ng Prando Cafe and Pastry.
Okay.
We do sell coffee, ice coffee, and wide varieties of pastry.
Okay, sige. Let's check it out. Facebook page.
Prando lang.
Alright. Thank
Ano
you.
yun yung tawag doon? Pag may
Follow na lang po.
Yes. Pag may mga meat, kunin niya sila as your exclusive pastry. Sila lang yung pastry dapat.
Correct.
Google Pay ko kayo pag hindi. Joke lang.
Thank you. Guys, shoutout lang ako sa owner, of course, kay Ma'am Sara. Yan, si Ma'am Sara.
Bahay sa ano? Wala.
Screen builds and dito. Yun, no? Hindi mahilig sa kotse tong ano na ito eh. No, ma'am? Parang walang hilig sa kotse.
Yan natatalaga eh.
Grabe, very nice, oh. First time ko dito, guys.
Bro, nakita mo naman. Sige.
Guys, sino nawawala ng hood? Ay, ng bumper. Solid. Boss, sir, kamusta? Good to see you again, sir. Congratulations pala. Yan, hindi ko nabati si ma'am pa. Ano yan, sir? Tapos na, nag-raffle na, FWD. Shoutout sa FWD, baka naman. No? Free premium. No? Free insurance man lang.
Okay, so guys, nagpapatuloy po tayo ng bilis gawin.
Message for Makina Cafe.
Guys, thank you. Makina Cafe, happy anniversary sa inyo. And nag-enjoy kami. Hopefully, there's more to come for you this year. More events and more new customers para sa inyo. Thank you sa pag-invite sa amin. This is Go Factory.
And thank you po sa pag-invite. Sarap po ng food and more events to come. And happy anniversary po. Thank you.
Alright, thank you. Ingat. Handheld?
Handheld.
Para sa underglow mo? Inastig oh.
Here, yellow.
Yan ba yung nagbabibrate?
Ano?
Ha?
Elite 63.
Shout out.
Elite 63?
Shout
Pero
out.
hindi yan yung nilalagay,
Hindi yan
nagbabibrate,
Hindi
yung
ito yung
iikot-ikot.
Ano tawag dito?
Hindi ba yan yun?
Pantali.
Ay. Kung gusto nyo ng ganyan, check out Lit 63. Ayan o.
The only underglow you should be getting.
Oo. Saka adjustable siya. Ano tawag doon? Depende sa mood nyo. Para sa mood light. Gusto nyo medyo sexy yung kotse nyo, red. Kung gusto nyo ng medyo funky, dancing light. At kung gusto nyo mapara kayo ng LTO, stick. Galing oh. Late 63, powered by Clean Builds. Para baliktad.
Baliktad.
Clean Builds powered by
Powered by
Late 63.
Makina Cafe. Shout out to Sarah. Shout out to RJ.
Ano ba to? Ano ba to?
You already drunk?
Congratulations and thank you for having Joms TV Media part of this event. Ma'am, message.
Message?
Bago ka malasing.
Ako, actually parang ano na, hindi ko na alam kung ano may message. Thank you po.
Yun, okay. Oh guys, check out Makina Cafe. Guys, check out yung crispy pata dito. Sobrang solid dito sa Makina Cafe. Ayan. Tignan nyo, halos buto na lang yung natira. Bossing, thank you ah. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
More power to Makina Cafe. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much for coming.
Yun oh, solid. Guys, sobrang solid talaga nun. Crystal, message sa Makina Cafe.
Congrats po! Ang sarap ng food! More events to come!
Yun. Jay,
Yo, what up?
message for Makina Cafe.
First of all, I'd like to thank Makina Cafe for inviting Clean Builds and Cleanest to their first anniversary. As you can see, may happenings pa. They got free drinks today, free food. Tapos,
Solid.
syempre invite natin sila to visit Makina Cafe. It's here in Parañaque lang. You can waste Anvil East Arcade. Tapos it's located in the second floor. Enough parking space for the cars.
Guys.
Enough parking space,
Or
space
bikes.
for motorcycles. Ayan nga, may inaakit na speaker for raffle. Ang daming raffle, ang daming happening. Suggestion ko na orderin nyo sa kanila yung whiskey tea
Crispy pata.
and yung immaculate crispy pata nila. Sobrang sarap. Shoutout kay Sir RJ, maraming salamat. Shoutout kay Miss Sarah, maraming salamat. Yeah, we're here with John Lu of JLo Fitment and Miss Cristed, isang admin, and of course si Jones TV Media. Andun din sa taas yung iba natin mga friends. So yan, sana Good luck sa business. Sana mas tumami pa yung Makina Cafe.
Francis,
I
no?
think may mga plans naman sila, so abangan nyo na lang. Follow them on their Facebook, follow them on their socials, everything. No? Nandiyan sa baba.
Yeah.
So maraming salamat guys. God bless. See you soon.
Peace. Thank you. Brother, ingat. Guys, speaking of vlog, I'm here with Katie Lenz, nakaka-birthday lang. Message for Makina Cafe.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Wait, take two!
Birthday niya guys ha.
Take two! Take two!
Belated happy birthday.
Happy first anniversary, Makina Cafe! Congrats!
Happy birthday, Makina Cafe.
Solid no?
Happy birthday, Kaitlyn.
Oh, happy birthday guys.
Kaitlyn.
Solid. Follow.
Saan pala muna, Kaitlyn?
Yes.
Wala mo ng tea.
Walang tea?
Wala mo ng tea.
K-Lens muna. Okay. So same Facebook pa rin.
Hindi. Ngayong araw lang.
Ngayon na araw lang. Okay. Sige. Di ko tatanungin. Okay, Joms TV Media here at Makina Cafe with K-Lens. Okay. Thank you. Oh guys, message. Makina Cafe.
Makina Cafe, happy first anniversary. Thank you so much. Dios G1 on TV.
Yun.
Makina Cafe, thank you so much sa pag-invite. Ang sarap ng pagkain. Thank you.
Solid guys. Ito solid. Ito makakasama natin during event. Ayan, solid sa inyo.
Nakawash ako, RF, Motos pa.
O yun, RF Autos pa. Shoutout. Thank you. Ingat kayo. Grabe. Ang dami na palalunan, oh. Yun, oh. Oh, voucher. FWD.
Thank you, Makina Cafe!
Ba talaga solid? May air freshener pa. Grabe talaga, oh. Solid. Akin yan.
Okay guys, andito po
Grand prize. Turbo timer daw.
hindi po tayo magra-raffle, pagalingan po tayo. So magpapalaro po tayo. So guys, paalala ko lang po, this is an offside, pwede pong gamitin sa motor. Petron Amvel East Arcade. So, Petron East Amvel Arcade, we want to thank you so much
Nakasali pala ako.
for the vouchers. Mahal na mahal po namin kayo. Huwag niyo na pong
Sali pala ako.
Makina Cafe number 1. Petron Amvel East Arcade number 1. Mr. J-Lo, ano ka na po dito?
Teka lang, mag-vlog pa ako eh.
Okay guys. Okay lang tayo.
Kasali ka daw. Kasali ka daw. So sila yung contestant. Kasali pala ako.
So yung laro is basic, ano lang to, guessing game. So there was a simple lang,
Ang lupit ng mga ano na eh. Congratulations, Mr. J-Lo Kidner. Ate Cristel, ang saka lang mo. Shout out kay Mrs. Cristel mo. Okay. Okay, congratulations, Mr. J-Lo Kidner. Also known as
Jasper, hindi na 500 yan, naka 1K yan. All the way from Pasig and Antipolo. Ay, no, 1K.
Dali, dali. Magkano yan?
1K!
Yabang oh. Tagaytay. Tagaytay ba punta niyan?
Kasi, ready na Gcash, sige. Meron na ako narinig ng 1.5 kanina.
Ano ang Petron? Ano ang Petron? Ano ang Petron?
Petron, ano ba?
Petron?
Ampel.
Tapat sa'yo.
Tapat sa'yo.
Bibigyan ko na kagad. 1.5 din narinig ko muli.
Tapat sa'yo.
Shoutout natin yung Petron na
Oo.
nagbibigay ng gas voucher.
Petron, baka naman.
Sir, yung nagpasikat na nakaparang sa'yo. Galing Pasig, Marikina, may 1 kilo gas
Sulit na sulit eh.
Naglaro lang sila. Naka 1K sila. Voucher from Ampel East Arcade.
Solid. Siyempre, from Makina Cafe.
Makina Cafe, maraming salamat. Happy first birthday. Go! Woo!